Max Collins may pa-soft launch sa new partner. Ang mystery guy ka-holding hands ni Max during her birthday celebration in El Nido, Palawan. Ilang kapuso Gen Z at ex-PBB housemates sama-samang mananakot sa pelikulang Huwag Kang Titingin.
Nakakakaba. Una sana hindi kami multuhin.
Parehas pa naman kami ni Sophie. Ako kasi matatakotin.
At maganda din yung message na gusto namin ibigay as a Gen Z cast. It's a very young cast and I feeling ko the camaraderie that we'll have will be exciting para ipakita namin na bakit huwag ka titingin.
It's my first ever movie, kaya I'm really excited at the same time kinakabahan.
Collab project ito ng GMA Pictures at Mentor Productions.
Excited ako because we've been talking about collaborating since 2 years ago and we've known Mentor to be a very, very good horror movie producer.
Sobrang natutuwa sa generosity ng GMA to extend their arms sa mga baguhan kagaya namin. So napakalaking event ito para sa amin.
Nelson Canlas nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.